What's up, YouTube? Told y'all I was gonna be back with a new video. Alright, anyway, today I'm making one of my favorites, Old Bay shrimp. Y'all know I'm from Maryland, y'all know we love Old Bay and everything. So y'all, it's gonna be a quick video, stick around, and we're gonna get into it, alright? So, as you see, starting off with all of the ingredients I have. So I'm using some olive oil, some pepper, of course, the Old Bay. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon at the end, as you'll see. Also using some butter, we love that, as well as some garlic. This is gonna be very, very garlicky. Well, it could be more garlicky, but I'm just using one clove of garlic. But if you wanna use more, definitely feel free to do so. So anyway, I'm going in with some freshly cracked black pepper. You definitely can use however much you want. Y'all, again, like I always say, y'all know I love black pepper, so I'm always pretty heavy-handed with the black pepper. Next, I'm going in with some Old Bay seasoning. I think I probably use, I want to say 2 tablespoons. Definitely check the description box below. That was about a half a pound of shrimp. Check the description box. I think that was about a half a pound of shrimp. So anyway, just gonna mix everything up. Y'all know I always love mixing my stuff up all the way, but just really get your hands in there, really mix it all up together. Make sure that it's all combined, and then we'll be good to go. But I also wanted some more Old Bay in there because a lot of times I season by just how it looks. If there's a whole lot of random empty space on whatever I'm cooking, I always feel compelled. I feel the need to put the seasoning on it so it's covered. All right, so now we have that ready to go. I am putting the shrimp in my preheated cast iron skillet that I had heating up on about medium for 5 minutes, not too long, because shrimp cooks really quickly and we don't want this to be rubbery and all of that. We want it to just be really seared on the outside, but still nice and juicy and tender on the inside. So, like I said, putting the shrimp on the cast iron skillet, and I'm just letting it cook. I think I let it cook on the first side for, let's say 4 to 5 minutes. But after that, you'll see kind of what I do. Alright, so now that it cooked for a little bit, for about 4 minutes on that side, now I'm going in with some butter, and the butter is really going to bring everything together and really give it, I feel like I've said this before, but really give it like a restaurant quality type of taste. Whenever you like eat some seafood or something like that, and it has this kind of like smoky, like charred kind of like taste, a lot of times it probably was cooked on a cast iron skillet, but a lot of times there's also probably some butter somewhere in there. And as I'm sure a lot of y'all know, seafood and butter is really a match made in heaven. So anyway, I'm kind of treating this shrimp like a steak, if you will. So I'm just kind of like basting it. Well, not really basting it in the butter, but I'm really letting it cook inside the butter. So right now I'm adding in some garlic. I got that garlic press from, I think, IKEA, and it actually really changes lives. It definitely changed my life using that thing. Because at first, I don't even need to get into it, but it definitely was very helpful because I hate chopping up garlic and all of that, and this really minces it and gets it to where you want it to be. But one little tip, make sure you, as you see, I put a little bit of butter in the middle, and I'm kind of just letting the garlic cook a little bit in that butter for 30 seconds. Not too long, but you want to make sure that the garlic is still cooked before you stir it up and mix it in with the rest of the shrimp. Because if not, it's going to have like a raw garlic taste. I can't even talk today. It's going to have a raw garlicky kind of taste, and it's going to be too strong. Now, I mean, of course, if you want that kind of like raw garlic taste, that's also fine. I mean, that is the thing. There are people that like that, but that just ain't what we're doing here. All right, not on my Old Bay shrimp. So y'all, final steps. As you see, I'm squeezing about half a lemon into the pan. I made sure this lemon didn't have any seeds, so that's why I squeezed it, squoze it, whatever, upside down. But if your lemon has seeds in it, you can just turn the flesh up towards you and still squeeze it out, and none of the seeds will get in there. Well, at least hopefully not. But y'all, anyway, I added some more butter in there. I think just because I saw it sitting on my countertop. I don't know, but it really didn't need any extra butter. But that's really all I have for y'all today. This was really good. It's so simple, as you see, and I zoomed out, I guess, so y'all can get a better view. Anyway, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back for a new video soon.